This is Fixer Joe, and I'm going to show you how to handle a broken microwave. In my case here, the microwave turns on, but you can see the timer runs and the clock is on, but the magnetron that actually microwaves the food does not turn on at all. So I'll show you how to deal with that. Okay, so don't be cheap. It's only 50 bucks for a new microwave, so just get rid of the old one and buy a new one. There, it's fixed. Make sure you properly dispose of the old microwave.